Happy Thursday, everyone. Today we're gonna make steamed fish, or kind of like a steamed fish stew. So here we have all the seasoning, the pumpkin, the banana, okra, yam, and potato. We're gonna make that cook first, and then after putting all of that, here's the fish. I have Dr. Fish and grouper. I'm only using the grouper. Make that cook at least 10 minutes along with the food. After, put the okra in, put some fish tea in, and cover it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Make it steam, put some pepper. Sorry, I ran out of Scotch bonnet, so I had to put that. That one is hot also. So thickening. Make sure everything is well cooked. And there we have it. Nice and thick. Then we're gonna serve that up. I'm making it for my 7-year-old because that's what she like. There we go. Here she is. Fiesta gal. She's gonna rate it. I don't know how much. Oh, she rated 5. All right.